It's here. Prime Day is here. Check out early deals plus discover the latest in entertainment included with Prime. Hello, and thank you for stopping by. I just want to point out real quick for those of you who are new to my channel or the first time here, the theme of my channel is repair, reclaim, reuse, and recycle. My channel consists of DIY videos, do it yourself, on auto, small engine, home repairs, in addition to some gardening and even my chickens. But today is something different. Today I'm here to talk about Amazon Prime Day. The best way to describe this, it's like shopping on Black Friday. The best deals you're going to get on Amazon are today, October 13th, and tomorrow, October 14th. Only 2 days, and half of today is gone. The way this works, if you notice on my channels in the descriptions down below, I usually link tools or supplies that would complement the repair that I'm working on. I either look for the best price or the best tool for the job. Now, if you click on one of those links, at no cost to you, Amazon tracks it back to my channel, and I get a small commission on most of those items. And again, this is no cost to you. Now, if you click on the link and that tool is no longer available, let me know, because prices change and sometimes the tools might be discontinued or that seller might no longer have it in stock. But that said, if you don't have Amazon Prime, it's not a problem. If you click on the link down below, you could try Amazon Prime for 30 days free, no cost. You get all the benefits. If you decide to keep it, you would just pay the monthly fee afterwards. And if you decide not to keep it, if you don't want to pay the fee, cancel it before the 30 days. And they do give a couple of different discounts. One is for a student. So check it out. Go to the link and see what's there. Now, some of the benefits, I'm not going to read them all because there's a whole page in them. But just to give you an idea, Amazon Prime, what you get free 2-day delivery service on millions of items. You get free 1-day delivery service available, it says here, on more than 10 million items with no minimum purchase. That's free delivery. And you get a free same-day delivery on over 3 million items on qualifying orders. They have to qualify and they have to be over $35. That's for the same-day delivery. I mean, you could shop from home, save on gas, and not worry about coming in contact with people in close quarters. So if you've been holding off on buying that special tool or parts, computer, any electronics, clothing, appliances for the home or the shop or the garage, and for your ladies that watch my channel, cosmetics, jewelry, you name it, it's there. Even food. Plenty of entertainment, all kinds of recordings, books. Amazon has just about it all. For those of you who use it, you already notice, and I understand. I'm just mentioning this for somebody that maybe never used it before. And again, if you go through my link, it traces back to me. For those of you who have Amazon already, it goes through your Amazon account, but it just traces back to me. No cost to you. I keep saying that, there's no cost to you. And I greatly appreciate you using that account. It does help with me keeping this channel up and running. And I do appreciate you using my link to make your purchases. And for those of you, again, who don't have Amazon, try it. You owe it to yourself to try it for the 30 days. You can't go wrong. So have a great 2 days of shopping and savings. And as always, most importantly, stay safe.